Hello guys, Fred here from Pro Tennis Trader. Hope you're well. So in this video, I'm going to be going through some in-play analysis and giving you some key metrics to look out for of whether to give you confidence or not to back the first set loser in the second set. So I'm using an example of Zverev versus Khachanov. So this was back in the Toronto semi-finals and was one of my Platinum Traders matches, which I came away with 2.5 points profit. So it was a decent enough trading match. Now Zverev was the favourite, 1.40. He did drop the first set, so of course he was a drifting favourite. So first off, let's just have a look at what happened in this first set. So it was just the one break, but some decent service holds. So here's the process that you can go through when you're just scanning over the first set analysis to see whether you'd feel confident in backing that player in the second set. Now, first off, the fact that he is the strong favourite obviously works in his favour. So that's the first thing to tick off. He did have 6 aces, 1 double fault, which is a very good stat indeed. First serve percentage, 74%. So basically the metrics for this are, obviously that is a good, that's the kind of elite range, anything over 70%. Average is around sort of 58 to 63%, so these are first serves going in. But if that's dropping below 58%, then you just need to be wary of that. So first service points actually won 65%. I mean, that's kind of mid-range. That's about an average to good. Anything over 72% is your kind of elite range, and you just want to be wary or when this number drops below 60%. And with second service points won 50%, obviously these are always going to be much lower than the first service points won. 50% is absolutely fine. That is the sort of top end. So this was 3 out of 6. Obviously he didn't actually have that many because of course he had 74% of these first serves going in. And you just want to be aware when this starts to drop below sort of 42, 43%, when you look at those lower numbers, that is a potential alarm bell to look for. So all is looking fine there. No breakpoints saved and no breakpoints converted. So we won't go through those stats. But if we were, you're looking at, I've done other videos on this, but you're basically looking at, anything above 28% is your kind of cut-off point there. Anything below 28% of breakpoints converted, just be wary of it. And then you want to have a look at the ratio between winners and unforced errors. Absolutely bang on here. 11 winners, 11 unforced errors. It's absolutely fine there. You will often see this with a much greater range. Very often you'd see, the unforced errors quite a bit more than the winners, but as close these numbers are, the better. And of course, total points won, well above our threshold of 40%, so 44% is absolutely fine as the first set total points. So everything was looking fine on the stats, and of course Zverev was the favourite. So I did trade him in the second set, and as I said, came away with 2.5 points profit. So that was a nice trading match. But really, you've got to pay attention to these first stats. I've given you some nice metrics there to go by, and when you start to really get used to it, you can just scan through these in literally a few seconds when you know sort of what you're looking for in terms of the numbers, the percentages, and obviously the ratio between winners and unforced errors. Now, if you would like to begin your journey into tennis trading, you can of course do at protennistrader.teachable.com, where I offer the full package to get you up and running as a professional tennis trader. You can start off with my free video course, a free introduction into tennis trading. If you would like to join the complete one, that provides absolutely everything you need and also includes a month of Platinum Traders. Now, I am also a Forex trader, and I offer the one Forex strategy on my website. And of course, please do follow me on YouTube Pro Tennis Trader, where you can find loads of trading videos, in-play analysis, trading psychology, and a lot more. Until the next time, good luck with your trading, and I'll speak to you soon.